Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. I've been wanting to do this for a little while just because it was getting kind of nasty and it started, I don't know, it started to kind of like smell a little bit and there was just like a lot of clutter in there. So I wanted to clean it out that we could go and buy some stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be cleaning it out for you guys. I'm just showing you what I have in my drawers before I take everything out. There's just like a bunch of lemons and a crusty pizza or pizza crust. Crusty pizza crust. Anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy. Spray it down with my handy dandy and a rag. Spray it all down. Really good. Alright guys, this is the aftermath. Not crusty, everything's clean. Everything looks, it feels so much better. I don't know, the refrigerator, you know, started to smell a little bit. That's why I wanted to clean it out and then that way we could go shopping for food, get some groceries. But yeah, this one was the nastiest one. Now they're all clean. And then except this one has like, where'd it go? This one has like a stain. Where is it? Here. But all right, I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. I washed my lemons and then I'm gonna cut these up and put them, or just take these off the vine. I washed them and then I'm gonna cut these up and cut some lemons up and put them in some containers, and those, don't mind that. My dirty dishes. And then this, yeah, I need to wash this though. But this is what I have. The salt ornaments that are kind of stuck. And then that. Then I did put some stuff over here. That's what I'm using right now to film and record the refrigerator. Right, and then this is what it looks like now, nice and clean. It's not very organized, but it's fine. Now we gotta go buy groceries. Actually, you know what? These I'll put down here so we can see them. So you can see them a little bit better. And then these, not very nice either, but it's fine. Then I gotta find something to put these in. But yeah. And then that's what that looks like. Looks so much better. So much better. Or the blue one.
This one. I see like this one.
No, this is kind of ugly. This one.
Ah, come.
This one?
This is that's my favorite.
No, those are bruised more.
Huh?
These are more bruised, no?
No, look at it.
But look at the butts. See, these butts are nice, but...
Where's this phone at?
Or this one.
The niner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, these are big. Okay,
No,
we'll just get these.
bigger.
Okay, so here's what we had bought in from the store. We actually didn't really need much. So we just got some cookies, some oat milk, some chips. My son wanted the Fiji water, lemonade, eggs, chicken bouillon, oats, and some pizzas for my son, some lettuce, some salt so I can make the salt ornaments again, but better this time, bananas and tomatoes. And then we got water and soda. So yeah. And then I'll just be showing you where I put it in the refrigerator and where I placed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys subscribe, and yeah, let me know what else you would like to see. Bye guys.